What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're working on this 5th generation Ram. It has these ugly OEM amber lights in them. They look boring, they look old, they look dingy. It's time to upgrade to some Boost Auto switchback mirror lights and bring this truck into the 21st century. These lights are super easy to install. They come with absolutely everything you need, which is just the lights. They're straight plug and play for your 5th generation Ram 25 or 3500 truck or 5th generation Ram 1500 truck that has factory tow mirrors. So let's get into it.
These Boost Auto Tow mirror lights are for your 5th generation Ram truck. These lights are 100% plug and play and can be installed in under 20 minutes with just a few simple hand tools. That means no tapping, crimping, or splicing involved. Just install and enjoy. Plus, Boost Auto's mirror lights are available in both white and amber running lights and have switchback functionality to match all your other Boost Auto products. A couple things to note before we get into the install. These lights are for 5th generation Ram trucks with tow mirrors. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
All right. To get into the installation, we're going to start by tilting this piece of glass all the way towards the smaller piece of glass and the outer piece of glass all the way towards the outside of the vehicle. Once that's done, we're going to reach our hands behind this lower piece of glass and simply snap it off. All right, it's time to remove the connector. There's just this one little tab to press the tab and pull straight down and the connector will remove. Now there's this one T15 screw holding the light in. We'll use a T15 socket and remove that. Once that T15 screw is removed, there's just a couple tabs holding it into place. You can take your pick, come in here, depress on those tabs, and the light will pop out. All right, it's time to get your new switchback light from Boost Auto and install it. We'll start by removing the protective coating. Then we'll bring the light into position, snap it straight into the housing. Replace the T15 screw. Then plug in the light. All right, now it's time to reinstall this lower glass. Now for some reason, Ram made this main glass here heated, but did not make this convex glass heated. If you'd like to change that and add heat to this lower convex glass, now would be a great time to do it. Will take you no extra time. Hit up boostauto.com and pick yourself up a set of heated lower glass to upgrade your mirrors. Now let's get into the installation of this glass. All right, then you'll just bring your lower glass back into position. If it is heated, make sure your terminals are connected and reconnect it. All right, guys, that wraps up the installation of our switchback mirror lights for your 5th generation Ram truck. These bring an all new appearance to your truck, the simplest install you can do, as you saw in this video. So be sure to hit up our website and check them out, boostauto.com. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide selection of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV to take your build to the next level. To watch more videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.